You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. If you want to learn more pronunciations, including of similar names, related names in other languages too, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from English pronunciation. Jacintha, ja, sin. The C is pronounced like an S. Sin, tha. The TH in English is pronounced like TH with your tongue between your teeth. Jacintha, Jacintha. Stress on the sin syllable. It may be pronounced in other languages Jacintha. That would be a different spelling, or could be a different spelling. Jacintha is the English pronunciation. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? And what is your origin or language? Let us know in the comments your pronunciation, Jacintha or any other one. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.